number 2, we got MST Mike versus Mitch. Battle number 3, Eloy versus Sarah. Battle number 4, Brandon versus Big Papa. Number 5, Fresno Cheeseburger. 6, Mike B versus C4. And 7, Kyle versus Buddy. So that's going to be the round number 1. Anyone else have any questions before we get this show started? Drivers ready. Judges ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Looking good. Outer zone 1. Skunk tapping the can, coming into the switchbacks. Oh, Sketty with a little door-to-door action. Now going zone 2 into the tree. Monty zone looking for an inner nose flip. Skunk all over it. Sketty trying to reel him in through the mega zone outer wall. Coming into the high-speed finish through the, door-to-door. All right, switch it up. Sketty's moving on. Sketty moves on. All right, on the ground right now, we got MST Mike versus 2 pretty experienced drivers. Mitch coming from Drift HQ, correct? With the Drift HQ boys out here having some fun with us. Getting some practice in. MST Mike's going to lead the way. Mitch is going to chase him down. Drivers ready at the line. 3, 2, 1, go! Solid looking start. Mitch putting the pressure on MST Mike in that fluorescent GTR. Solid looking through the switchback, all over his door, coming into zone number 3, looking for that inner nose flip. Oh, a little bit, that throws him offline. That's going to allow Mitch to get the overtake and finish out strong through zone number 5 with the wall tap. From Drift HQ, Mitch is moving on. Mitch moves on to the next round. Sarah, our only female driver out here today representing. She's going to be chasing. Eloy's going to be leading the way first. Drivers ready on the line. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, good looking initiation from the lead car. Sarah trying to close that gap going into the switchback. Now Sarah all over Eloy's door. Putting on the pressure through zone number 2. Big transition into this inner zone 3 right there. Eloy gets a fender in it. Now the mega outside zone number 4, coming into Power Alley through the finish. Solid runs, clap it up. Round of applause for these 2 drivers. To the top 8, moving on to the top 8. Eloy's moving on. Eloy moves on. Leads the way. Winner moves on to the top 8. Drivers ready at the line. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, Big Papa with a nice whip out the gate, looking good through that outer zone, just misses the monster can into the switchback. Solid looking line. Brandon keeping good proximity though. Now door to door through zone number 2. Big Papa all over it, looking for that inner clip number 3. Gets a tire in there. Into the mega zone number 4. Door to door a little shallow. Now laying the power down through the finish.
Nice.
Solid run. Solid run. Cheeseburger's going to chase him down. Drivers ready at the line. Judges ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Big power from the lead car. Looking smooth through zone number 1. Cheeseburger trying to close that gap. Almost select the outer wall here. Fresno with a nice wall ride. Oh, does slip an inner cone, which sends him a little funky through zone number 2. But now Cheeseburger all over his rear bumper through the Monties. Into zone number 4, the mega outer zone. From the wall. Switch back, high speed finish. Change it up, change it up. Good run, good run. We're changing things up.
There.
Fresno's going to lead the way. Cheeseburger's going to chase him down. Drivers ready at the line. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh yeah, beautiful start both cars. Huge angle from the leader. Cheeseburger though, putting on the pressure through the center section. All over his door. Fresno deep in zone number 2 though. Now look at that into zone 3. Oh, a little wide there. Makes it stick though. Now looking outer mega zone number 4. And through the finish with a wall tap.
That's still close.
Away. Mike's going to chase him down. Drivers ready on the line. 3, 2, 1, go! Good, look at initiation of both vehicles. C4 looks good. Oh, a little over rotation causes some contact. But both drivers get it right in now into the switchback. Looking for outer zone number 2. Both drivers deep in zone number 2. Oh, C4 clips that inner wall just a little bit. Mike still all over him, coming through zone number 4. Into the high-speed power.
Oh!
Just like the real thing through the finish. And moving on to the top 8. Mike B's moving on. Mike B moves on. Last battle of the top 16. I need Kyle versus Buddy. Kyle is going to take it down. These drivers fight for the last spot in the top 8. Track is clear. Drivers ready. Judges ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, big power from the lead car. A little light on ankle, but gets into that zone. Oh, little wall tap.
Nice wall tap.
Now Buddy all over his door through zone number 2. Puts down the power from the lead car. Inner clip looking pretty. Oh, Buddy takes out the tree. Now zone number 4. Kyle slinging it out there. And through the finish a little shallow, but that's all right. Finishes in style. After some judge discussion, we do have a winner. Moving on to the top 8. Kyle's gonna just move on. Kyle spin.
Let's
Kyle
go.
gets the win. Similar mistakes in similar sections, but the better clean runs go right here for throughout the weekend. Sign up on the HyperFest website. They provided us one of the names, and he has been hanging out here waiting for us to announce it. And it's my man right here. HyperFest Supra giveaway. Come on, right to the end of the podium. Give him a round.
Yeah!
First run. These drivers trying to make it to the final 4. Track is clear. Drivers ready. Judges ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my goodness!
Oh!
The first cone hit. Let's bring it back. Let's bring it back. The first cone hit. Cody coming off that rustiness. No. That's not how it works. Oh, huzzah. All right, we got Cody.
Push him back into the cone.
Drivers ready, judges ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, looking good. Outer zone number 1, Chris the Monster Can coming into the switchbacks right now. Door to door, though, Sketty putting on the pressure. Now leads to that outer zone number 2, a little shallow from the lead car, coming into the inner clip number 3. Oh, long contact from your lead car is going to allow Sketty to come through the finish solo. Change it up. Taking the top, or the first spot in the final 4. Sketty moves on to the final 4. Sketty moves on the ground right now. We chase him down. Drivers are ready. It looks like they are standing where they want to be. Track is cleared. Judges ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, beautiful initiation and proximity. Oh my goodness, just millimeters away on the chase. Eloy putting down a solid lead run that was very smooth. Oh, a little outside.
Oh!
Rotates right there. finish out just for show through Power Alley. Looking good, change it up, change it up. Moving on to the Final Four, second spot in the Final Four. Mitch is moving on, Mitch moves on. On the ground right now, this will be a good one. We got cameraman Fresno versus Brandon. We got Brandon in the
I know.
No, I'm dead serious. It's in my car, man.
He does. He stated.
Drivers where you want to be. Track is clear. Judges ready. Drivers ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my goodness. No to tail start. Both drivers keep in zone number 1, putting on a show for the judges here. A little check up from Fresno, taking inside line. Brandon looking deep in zone number 2. Switching back from that inner nose clip. A little bit of rumble strip action. That's what we want to see down here. Through the mega zone, side by side, Power Alley.
Threw it away.
Why did you do that?
Drivers ready at the line. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, good look at initiation. Nice ball over. Kyle taking a super wide line, making it challenging for that chase car. Trial collector right there. Now looking good through zone number 2. Into the inner clip of number 3. Bounces off that wall once again. Now into Power Alley, zone number 4, into zone number 5, outer clip.
Nice.
And taking the last spot in the top 4. Last spot in the top 4 is going to Mike. Mike B moves on. We have 4 drivers left. 4 drivers left. And I start thinking about it. Getty leads. Mitch is going to chase him down. This will be a good battle.
Yep.
Grab a seat, check out this action. Winner goes to the finals. Drivers ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Nose to tail off the line, door to door. This big judges sweeper into the switchback. Mitch putting on the pressure on Getty through zone number 2. Getty with some big angle though.
Let's go, come on.
Oh! Door once again right there. Little bit of contact, doesn't seem to fade up. Now land on the power, dragging that whole wall through zone number 5. Yeah,
nice.
That was a fantastic run. Change it up, change it up. And the decision has been made to bring those 2 back for one more time.
Yeah!
One more time. Micro mistakes.
Yeah, get out of
We
there.
get a winner after this 2-second battle here. Drivers ready on the line. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, good look at initiation. Both drivers, huge angle from your lead car. Steady closing the gap once again and gives him a little tap in the same section. Now Mitch looking pretty clean into zone number 3. All over
nice.
zone number 3. Steady still closing the door though through Power Alley into the mega finish right here. Woo!
Nice. That's close.
That was a tough one. Maybe
One more time.
It was really the first time today, except that one other chip we had. Oh, we got some Sun Best yelled out. We do have a decision.
Uh-oh.
Very close battle. And this driver is moving on to the finals. Coming from Drift HQ, Mitch moves on to the next round. Mitch is moving on.
Hey, good job, YouTube.
Kenny, stick around though, because we're going to battle for 3rd.
Yeah.
Drivers ready on the line. 3, 2, 1, go! Good looking initiation, winning power, front of the lead. Car, Brandon all over closed door though through the center section. Not giving him 1 inch of room through zone number 3, a little wide.
Get closer, Brandon.
Power alley.
Close the gap.
Coming into outer zone 5.
Nice.
Moving on to the finals. To battle Mitch. Brandon moves on. So before we get to the finals, we're battling for third. So it's going to be Sketty versus Mike. To the final spot on
I was like, oh man, this is going to be close.
RC World HyperFest Tandem event. Drivers ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, good. Looking initiation. Huge angle from the lead car. Mike all over him. Sketty takes a wide line coming out of the switchbacks. Oh, little wall contact causes some understeer, but he corrects it. Now
nice.
The power into zone number 4. That's the mega zone. Oh, another wall tap causes some more understeer. Coming through the finish. Door to door once again. Mike gives him a little slam right afterwards. Change it up, change it up. Taking home the 3rd spot at the RC World HyperFest Drift Podium. Mike B comes home 3rd.
Oh!
Spot. And now it is time for the final. We have Brandon and we have Mitch. We're getting cameras ready. Brandon things away. Mitch is going to
hey, your car's moving, man.
Drivers ready on the line.
You just sit.
3, 2, 1, go! Good looking initiation post vehicle. Brandon keeps
nice.
zone number 1. Now coming into the switchback. Still door to door. Mitch working that throttle, keeping that proximity on lock. Door to door through zone number 2. Beautiful transition into that inner clip number 3. Now Power Alley, who's got the horses, coming into that big outer zone number 5 through the finish.
Nice. That's clear. Brandon got this.
We're going to need 30 seconds on the judges' booth. 30 seconds. After reviewing the footage, we do have a winner and a new HyperFest RC World Tandem Drift Champion. Taking home the top spot on today's podium. All the way from Drift HQ.